Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a song here from Bishop Briggs called Triumph. Really powerful, strong song there, and very easy to play. It's clean out here on the fretboard. We have 4 easy chords, and that's it. So we'll start with the chords. A minor, we have the A minor first. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord is the C G chord. That's C basically, but with a G added there in the bass. So it goes like this, a bit darker than C. Third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have F, that's a bar chord. We place the bar here on the first fret over all strings. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord is E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Alright, so you saw me playing in 2 different ways here. With the strumming is basically the same. One round could be like 4 downs, so like this. If you take the A minor there, for instance, that's the first chord. It goes. So that is one strumming round, so to speak, 4 downs. You want to emphasize the third down, okay? So I do that in the way that I'm playing on the bass strings for the first, second, and fourth down. But the third down, I go down and play on the higher notes down here. So that's one round. Bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. So you're gonna play 1 string around per chord. So in the chord progression, A minor, the C, G, F, and E, it goes like this. Alright, so that gives the strumming a little bit color when you play on the bass and alternate that with the top note. So that is one way of playing it. Instead of playing this 4 downs, you could play down, down, clap, down. So instead of emphasizing the third down on the notes, higher notes, you place that with a clap instead. So down, down, clap, down will be 1 string around. You're gonna play still 1 per chord, and it goes like this. And so on. You're gonna do that through the entire song. This is really heavy on the bass there and the clap, the beat. So this last strumming really works for this song. You can go both ways, 4 downs or with the clap. It's your choice. This is Bishop Briggs Triumph, and I hope you enjoy this. If you did, leave me a comment, support me here on Gordon Guitar, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Until next time, play tuned.